In this video, I will show you Facebook Allfriend Unfriend in one click 2025. How to unfriend all. Unfriending multiple friends on Facebook isn't exactly a one click process, but it's manageable with a bit of patience. You'll need to visit each friend's profile to unfriend them. This guide will walk you through each step so you can clean up your friends list in no time. First, you have to log into your Facebook account. You have to go to Facebook and log into your account using your username and password. Next thing you have to do is to go to your profile. You just have to click on your profile picture or your name to access your personal profile page. Your profile page is where you can see all your posts, photos, and friends list. Next thing you have to do is to click on Friends tab located on your profile page. This will display a list of all your Facebook friends, allowing you to choose who you want to unfriend. Next thing you have to do is to scroll through the list of or use the search bar to find the friend you wish to unfriend. Using the search bar can save you time if you have a large number of friends. Next is you have to click on the Friends button next to the friend's name, then select Unfriend from the drop down menu. Confirm the action if prompted. This will remove the person from your friends list instantly. So stay patient and you will get through this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.